information architecture and website structure are two things that are the biggest, one of the biggest issues for most e-commerce websites we're working with. And it doesn't matter if it's a medium-sized or enterprise e-commerce website. In 99% of the cases, every single time that someone is contacting us, they didn't address the issue of proper information architecture, proper website structure, and how not only users but the Googlebot can visit and index all of the content in a very organized way. This is also one of the simplest ways to deliver growth, organic growth, for every e-commerce store out there. So if you didn't address the problem, the issue, didn't address that, let's say, elephant in the room, and your structure isn't optimized yet, that's one of the cheapest, easiest gain for your e-commerce store out there. So basically what we do when optimizing that is where we match all of the keywords with all of the categories, which sounds very simple, but with larger structure it gets complicated. We look at every single keyword that your competitors are ranking for, and we try to cross-match them to see if you're missing out on something, if there is like a gap between your keywords and your competitors' keywords. And we're looking for opportunities. So every single store has a lot of pages ranking, let's say, top 11, and usually addressing that problem and pushing them a little bit more to, let's say, top 9 even is giving you this nice bump in traffic that we all like to watch in our analytics. So information architecture and website structure is making sure that Google can understand your structure, can match keywords to your pages clearly, so there are no 5 pages within your structure competing for one keyword, and so on. It gets kind of complicated later on, but that's really something with massive potential, and that's something that most e-commerce stores don't address well.